Yep, your truck bed. That empty space is good for hauling all manner of things, sure. But all too often, it's just too darn cluttered. A place to throw things, for stuff to spill and gear to roll around. And even if you wanted to organize your truck bed, there was no good way to do it. Until now. Introducing the Ranch Road Cargo System. The first, last, and only truck bed organizer you'll ever need. Highly configurable, heavy duty, made in the USA. So when you're headed to the ranch, hauling your ATVs for the weekend, or going camping, and you want to keep all your gear organized, you need the Ranch Road Cargo System. It's the ultimate solution for truck bed organization, featuring a modular design to organize gear large and small for any road trip, job, or adventure. Sized to fit full-size trucks, flatbeds, UTVs, and trailers without special tools. Designed for recreational enthusiasts and professional fun lovers. Built tough for the outdoors, so you can get the most out of your truck bed, keep your stuff organized, and just enjoy the trip. Ranch Road Cargo Systems. Make your bed.